Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here or you don't know me, I'm Athar and I'm going to pursue my master's in computer science from Illinois Institute of Technology at Chicago. Today we are going to dive in what to pack and what not to pack for your master's in US. Moving to a new country can be a little overwhelming, but with right preparation and this video, you'll have a smooth transition. I am actually going through this process right now. I have my flight next week, literally next week, so I'll be sharing what I am packing for my own journey. Your list might be a little different, but I have covered everything in this video, so let's get to it. First, let's talk about what not to pack. This item might seem essential, but trust me, you're better off buying them in US. First, winter clothes. Don't pack winter clothes. They are cheaper in US and specifically designed for the harsh winters over there. Winter clothes from India, even the best ones, won't be as effective. Instead, save space in your luggage and plan to buy them when you arrive over there. Second, blankets and sheets. Avoid packing blankets and sheets. You can carry one shawl for your travel and a thin sheet for the first few days. Once you land, you can easily buy whatever you need. Stores like Walmart and Target offer a wide range of affordable bedding options, so you can always visit over there. Third, pans and pots. Don't waste luggage space on pans and pots. They are available in US at similar prices and you can find good quality cookware easily. Plus you will have more space for your essentials. I'm not carrying any myself, so I guess it's good to not carry any of them. 6. Toiletries. Only pack travel size toiletries for the first few days. Full size items like shampoo, conditioner and soaps are readily available and often cheaper in US. This also reduces the weight of your luggage significantly. When you're packing, you will actually remember me when I said don't pack toiletries because they might add significant weight to your luggage. Okay, now let's move on to what you should pack. This item will be invaluable during your stay in US, so make sure you take them with you. First on the list is pressure cooker. Okay, so this is a must have. Pressure cookers are 3 times more expensive in US and really hard to find. If you are sharing an apartment, each person should bring at least one cooker. You might move out for job, internships or any other reasons. It's a lifesaver for cooking meals quickly. Also, make sure you know how to cook using a pressure cooker, as it might be risky at times, but so if you are buying it, just make sure you know how to use it. Second, instant food. Bring your favorite instant foods like this Maggie. Instant gravy. I've took some instant gravies for saving some time. Also, instant foods like upma and poha can be a lifesaver sometimes, especially during the initial days when you are still settling in. Having this kind of instant food will actually help you cope things better. Having familiar food can also be a great comfort when you are struggling with settling down, so yeah, you should buy them. Third on the list is Indian spices. Next, get Indian spices from home. Avoid anything white like sugar, salt or wheat flour for obvious reasons. Spices can be pretty expensive and really hard to find in US. Bringing your own ensures you can cook your favorite dishes without any hassle. So fourth, and this is an optional thing, but what I prefer is you take them with you. So innerwears, pack about a dozen sets of innerwear. They are cheaper in India, and since you won't be coming home for at least 2 years, it's better to have plenty in stock. In cold regions like Chicago, drying clothes can often take days, so having a good stock is really essential in such climate conditions. Fifth is traditional clothes. Pack a few sets of traditional clothes for cultural events, festivals and parties. Indian Student Association. There is a high chance your university already has an Indian Student Association. They often organize events where you can showcase your culture, so having these outfits will come in handy. I'm sure it will come handy. So next on the list we have is important documents. Don't forget to carry important documents like your passport, I-20 form, admission letters and any other relevant paperwork that you think is important or you will need once you are there. Keep this in your carry-on luggage to ensure they are easily accessible and are safe during your travel. Next on the list we have is medicines and prescriptions. Bring a basic medical kit with over-the-counter medicines for common illness like cold, headaches, and allergies. If you have any prescription medicines, make sure to carry enough for the first few months along with the prescriptions. Or make sure you have the prescriptions for all of them, since they will be checked during your security check, I guess. And I don't know, I'm not sure, because it will be my first time traveling through an aeroplane. So yeah, I don't know, I don't have an idea. 8 personal care items. Pack personal care items like a good razor, nail cutter, and specific skincare products that you specifically use and which will not be available in US. While these are available in, like, there are certain things that are available in US, but having your preferred items from home can make the transition even smoother. 9, some stationaries. Also pack some stationery items like pen, notebooks, and a scientific calculator. Yeah, scientific calculator is not really needed as you have your phones with you all the time, but if you have one, you can carry it with you. It's totally optional. While you can buy this in US, having them handy events you are at can be useful for taking notes and getting organized right away. 10th, power adapters. Carry a few power adapters and converters, like take an universal adapters to ensure you can use your Indian electronics in US. This will be crucial for charging your device until you buy a US compatible chargers, or you can just use this one with the universal adapter attached to it. And that's it for the list. I hope this list helps you pack efficiently for your journey to US. Remember, less is more when it comes to packing for a good move. I will share a detailed list of all the required clothes and their amounts in the description below, so make sure to check it out. If I've missed anything, if you have any useful tips that I might have missed, let me know in the comment section and I will pin the comment. Don't forget to like to the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and advice. Until then, safe travels and good luck for your masters or MBA journey. Until then, keep exploring.